Hydraulic equipment is of considerable use in many areas, such as production, oil and gas section, building industry, metalworking, and others. Today, hydraulics is a good solution for production process automation, as far as it allows increasing the speed of manufacture and performing some hard and technologically difficult work. The HydroCube company's profile is the design and production of hydraulic equipment. At the first stage, our constructors deal with sketches and technical drawings. Then they match the client's request to the company's production possibilities. The work on projects is conducted by the HydroCube engineering department, where we have craft professionals. At each stage of production, our equipment is under stringent quality control. Every product undergoes tests with a weight exceeding the loading limit, and then it gets a technical passport. At HydroCube, we produce reliable, top-notch lifting equipment. Our production facilities allow us to manufacture lift tables for different kinds of loads with the necessary dimensions and capacity that considerably outperform their counterparts in characteristics. Scissor lifts by HydroCube are about reliability and prolonged service life. The company's specialists will help you choose suitable accessories for a hydraulic table that usually serve for reducing both the risks of load damaging and getting an injury. HydroCube produces customized and improved hydraulic power packs. Our hydraulic technicians have designed more than 100 successful projects. That's why we can perform even the most sophisticated task. Hydraulic cylinders are an essential part of lifting equipment, special machines, and others. They're also designed individually, from design development to the finished product. Besides, we can manufacture and set any other parts for hydraulic cylinders upon your request. A reliable package provides secure transport. It's no coincidence that HydroCube's slogan is "Quality lies in the details." Our products are certified. The HydroCube research and production enterprise is actively developing. The company's specialists take training courses and upgrade their skills on a regular basis. The equipment stock of the company is being improved, and production abilities are being expanded. We keep up with the time and go forward for the benefit of your business.